can't take a nap anywhere. When you wake up, you have to like adjust your bra back to the center where it's supposed to be. And if you're napping, like if I want to take a nap in college or somewhere, then it's really awkward because you can't do that in public.
First one would be sweat for sure, because all the clogging up and you can't like go ahead and wipe it because it's really uneasy. And uski wajah se rashes, oh god, it is horrible.
Sometimes the strap gets twisted, so I don't realize that instantly, but then maybe 2-3 hours later it starts paining. And then when I get back and check it, the strap is twisted and there's a cut.
So the first time I wore my bra was in 7th standard and I could not really breathe. So I told my mother that like I can't breathe, so I need to take it off.
When it gets really tight, it gets hard to breathe.
You never know your cup size because the cup size is in relation to the size below, like the underbust. And I don't think everyone knows this.
The underwire bras are really uncomfortable. The wires pop out.
And if you don't wear a bra, then you know, things can be visible which should not be visible. So wearing a bra is ideal. The whole purpose of a bra is to provide support. So अगर वो सही size की नहीं होगी तो वो support कैसे दे पाएगी? Wearing the wrong size can also cause breast cancer because if it's too tight, then it's not good for your body.
The cups and the straps, it can be a little misleading because not all companies offer the same size of the cups. Wrong size bras can lead to breast cancer, and I did not know that.
I would love to. I mean, bring it on. I think the guys should really know what hell we go through when we wear bras.
I would really like to challenge one guy to wear a bra.
Everybody should experience this at least once in a lifetime.
I would like to challenge a guy to wear a bra for 1 hour to know how it feels.
Go for it. Do you know how to put it on?
I'll try.
Okay. So basically you have to get the straps in first and then you hook it from the back.
Hello, hi. Kritika. So I would like you to wear this bra and keep it on for like an hour at least and then let us know how it feels.
That's it.
Yeah.
Hi, Tanya.
Akash.
So,
Yeah, this is what's there for me.
yeah, do you know how to wear one?
Not really. I mean,
Hi,
I'm good.
here's your bra. You have to wear it.
फंसा हुआ है बहुत. It's very tight. I think it's not my size. It's itching here. शायद वही strap टेढ़ा है.
I can't breathe. Gasping for air. बाकी अच्छा लग रहा है. पोस्टर टाइट लग रहा है ऐसे. बॉडी भी अच्छी लग रही है, फील हो रही है.
ठीक है, कुछ अलग सा लग रहा है कि कुछ बॉडी पे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन आ गया है. ठीक है, मतलब इतना कुछ खास अलग फील नहीं हो रहा.
Feels stuffed. It's a little tight. It's better. I was expecting it to be a little more tighter, but it's still fine. I feel sweaty all of a sudden.
तो अब थोड़ा थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रही है बैठने में, खड़े होने में. इट्स वेरी टाइट एक्चुअली और अंदर पसीने आ रहे हैं एंड दिस स्ट्रैप इज़ वेरी इरिटेटिंग.
30 minutes के बाद भी quite comfortable, but lack of flexibility. I can't do this. If I do this, I can feel the stretching, the bra stretching and hurting my skin. Fun है, खेल सकते हो अपनी bra के साथ. थोड़ा self entertainment हो जाता है. That's it.
कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है पहना है अभी कि जो नहीं पहनना चाहिए था. थोड़ा सा टाइट हो रहा है, मतलब सही चल रहा है. हाँ, गर्मी है. अभी खाया खाना तो बैठा तो ऐसा लगता है कि बैठने में दिक्कत हो रही है. तो बैठता हूँ तो पीछे से कुछ चुभ रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है कोई पीछे से कुछ पिंच कर रहा है कोई.
I feel like there's somebody constantly tugging on my chest, like it's somebody's holding on and it's just standing there. And every time I try to like get down, झुकते time ऐसा लगता है somebody's pulling you back up, like get back. But other than that, it's fine. Thankfully, I don't have big boobs.
सबसे पहले चीज़ तो इट्स वेरी हॉट, इट्स वेरी स्वेटी मेरे को अंदर नैपकिन डाल के पूछना पड़ रहा था कि इतना पसीना आ गया और इट्स वेरी इचिंग.
You think I'm all set? I'm all wet. Sweat on my forehead, sweat on my chest.
तो ठीक लग रहा था, बट अभी लग रहा है कुछ घुस रहा है पीछे से. चुप रहा है यार.
ये स्ट्रैप है, ये शायद पीछे ट्विस्ट हो चुका है.
चुप रहा है यार.
I think it wasn't that tough. I mean, it was tough. Like there was a lot of sweat, obviously, that I had to deal with.
चुप रहा है यार.
You know that जो क्लास पे suckers होते हैं, you put them and pull them off.
Yeah.
हम जो आवाज़ आती है, and वही पूरा वैक्यूम हो चुका है मेरा यहाँ पे.
And there's a constant fear that my bra is not adjusted well, so I feel like adjusting it after every 5 minutes. I don't know. I feel like it's just, it goes up and sideways and everything.
ज़्यादा फांसी दे दी है चेस्ट को किसी ने.
एक्चुअली 1 घंटे बाद ना अब रियलाइज हो रहा है कि चलना इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट एंड बैठना इज़ मच मोर कंफर्टेबल.
It makes my chest looks buff. I feel like one of those guys who work out and shit. So yeah, that's an advantage.
By the way, you can extend the strap if you know.
If you want to wear a bra, wear it. If you don't want to wear a bra, don't wear it.
बहुत ही अच्छा फील हो रहा है.
जितना टाइम ये पहनी थी ऐसा लग रहा था कि कुछ मार रहा है कोई पीछे से, चिमटे पड़ रहे हैं.
Definitely a weight off my chest now. And I think just because I have chest hair too, so yeah, I think there's some here as well. So don't mind that. This is like the first bra which came out with hair on it.
I really appreciate that you can continue your life with such grace and do all the common things we do while wearing this.
जैसा मैंने फील किया 1 घंटा ये पहन के, तो मैं तो किसी को रेकमेंड नहीं करूँगा कि वो ब्रा पहने.
The fact that they have to wear them all day and you have to spend money on it, that's the worst part. Why would someone pay to be like this type?
So I appreciate the fact that somebody acknowledges the pain that girls go through now, and good job.
Thank you.
And all the ladies who like this video, please let us know your discomforts of wearing the bra in the comment section below.
Please hit the like button.
If you like this video, then like us on Facebook.
Follow us on Instagram and Twitter.
And if you want to watch more videos, you can click on the subscribe button, the red one.
मैं बहुत क्यूट हूँ, तो प्लीज चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब करो और बहुत सारी वीडियोस लाइक.
And I give the challenge to all the guys who are watching this video. Please wear it for 1 hour at least.